Environmental public awareness. Our world is a delicate web where natural system and human activities are deeply intertwined. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil that nourishes our food are all part of ecosystem that sustain life. Yet, every choice we make, from energy we consume to the way we build our cities, leaves an imprint on this system. Understanding this connection is vital because it reminds us that human progress cannot exist in isolation from nature. By recognizing how our actions affect forests, oceans, and climate, we gain the power to create solutions that protect both people and the planet. This awareness is not just knowledge, it is the foundation for building a sustainable future where humanity thrives in harmony with the earth. Ecosystem are nature's way of keeping the planet healthy and alive. Coral reefs shelter marine life and protect coastline. Forests filter our air and store carbon. Oceans regulate climate and provide food, while wetlands act as a natural water purifiers and flood barriers. Together, they form a balance that sustains life on Earth. But human activities often disrupt this harmony. Overfishing weakens coral reefs. Deforestation destroys habitats. Pollution poisons oceans. And draining wetlands removes vital protections against floods. When these systems are damaged, the balance shifts, leading to climate change, biodiversity loss, and threats to human well-being. Understanding how ecosystems work and how our actions affect them is essential because protecting nature means protecting ourselves. As the global population rises, the strain on Earth's limited resources become more intense. Every new community requires clean water, fertile land, and reliable energy. Yet, these essentials are not infinite. Aquifers and rivers are pushed to their limits. Forests are cleared to make space for farms and cities. And energy demand surges as urban areas expand. This growing pressure disrupts natural system, fueling deforestation, water shortages, pollution, and accelerating climate change. The consequences ripple outward, threatening biodiversity and human well-being alike. Recognizing how population growth impacts the environment is crucial because it highlights the urgent need to manage resources wisely. Only by balancing human needs with the planet capacity can we secure a sustainable future where both people and nature flourish together. Pollution, global warming, and climate change are among the greatest threats to life on Earth. Air pollution fills our skies with harmful particles, damaging human health and weakening ecosystem. Water pollution poisons rivers, lakes, and oceans, destroying habitats and reducing biodiversity. Global warming driven by greenhouse gas emission, rises temperatures worldwide, melting ice caps, altering rainfall, and intensifying storms. These changes disrupt the delicate balance of nature, causing species to vanish and ecosystem to collapse. The consequences ripple into human societies, from food insecurity and water shortages to rising sea levels that endanger coastal communities. Protecting biodiversity means protecting ourselves, because when nature suffers, humanity suffers too. Addressing pollution and climate change is not optional. It is essential for a sustainable future. Sustainable practices are the key to protecting our planet and ensuring a future where both people and nature can thrive. Simple actions like recycling reduce waste and conserve valuable resources, while choosing renewable energy sources such as solar and wind helps cut down harmful emission. These practices ease the pressure on ecosystem, slow the pace of climate change, and safeguard biodiversity. By rethinking how we consume, produce, and power our lives, we create cycle that supports the environment instead of depleting it. Every sustainable choice, whether it's reusing materials, conserving water, or switching to clean energy, it is a step toward balance. Together, these actions build a healthier planet and a secure, sustainable future for generations to come. All of these issues, ecosystem disruption, population growth, pollution, and climate change, are deeply interconnected. When forests are cleared to meet human demand, biodiversity declines, carbon emission rise, and climate change accelerates. When pollution contaminates water and air, it harms both wildlife and human health, weakening the very system we depend on. Each challenge feeds into the next, creating a cycle that threatens the balance of life on Earth. That is why a combined approach to environmental management is crucial. Recycling, renewable energy, conservation, and sustainable development are not isolated solutions. Together, they are form a strategy to restore balance between human progress and nature resilience. By recognizing these connections and acting collectively, we can build a sustainable future where people and the planet thrive side by side.
Protect nature, protect our future.